everyone, welcome to this week's episode of Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. I am going to bring to you today an amazing snack, popcorn. We're going to turn your plain old boring popcorn from plain and blah to sweet and spice. So let's do this. Hey everyone, welcome to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. My name is Sonya Paz and I am your sweet and spicy expert here today. So I wanted to bring to you a fun little treat that we do here at home that is so easy but packs a punch. So as you know, if you make popcorn at home, you get the kernels and you put them in your popper or your air popper or your microwave in a bag, or just do it on the stove like we do. You typically put a little maybe cheese on it. Some people put some sugar on it. Some people might dress it up with salt and pepper. That's how I like it, with salt and pepper. But when I started my Sonya Sweet and Spicy, I realized the juice in this is liquid gold. It is something to die for. And I'm going to show you today on how you can make an incredible snack from these innocent little kernels to boom, amazing, amazing treat for you on these movie nights. So I'm going to show you how I do this, and you can too. So I literally take about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if you like. I like olive oil because I find it just gives it a flavor that we really like. And I go in and I probably put about just a little less than a 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels, and we're gonna get these kind of soaked. I like to, there's a lot of oil in here, but that's okay. I like a lot, and the reason I like a lot of this is because it ends up coating it really nice, plus it ends up giving each kernel just sort of a unique flavor. I know a lot of people will soak their popcorn kernels ahead of time. Trust me, I have tried it. It did not work for me. Could have been operator error, and that's okay. So we're not going to worry too much about that. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the lid on this bad boy because these things are going to be starting to pop. And I use this pan that I've had for years because it works for me. So my popcorn kernels have popped, and like I said, I hadn't used anything other than olive oil, and I'm going to go ahead and pour these right into my bowl. Now it's probably a little bigger of a bowl than I had assumed, but that's okay. And I have about 2 tablespoons of Sonya's Sweet and Spice juice, and you can see the spices in, and you can see some of the seeds from the jalapenos. I'm going to go ahead and just drizzle this right over, and you can hear them sizzling. So I'm going ahead and I'm tossing these just so that they can get nicely coated. I usually don't use a spoon, but this is what I usually do. So as you can see, we have our popped popcorn. It's not a big batch. I didn't make a big batch today. Usually I make a batch in this ginormous bowl, but this is gonna be a little single serving side for me since I'm home alone with the doggy and I just needed a snack for the afternoon. Look at the size of these kernels. Amazing, simply amazing. And all of my kernels have Sonya Sweet and Spicy, the juice right from the jar, added in there. I've tossed it up. I have not added any salt. I haven't added any pepper because I want you to try this on your own. Now, I like to make my popcorn on the stove because that's kind of the old-fashioned way. I know that it is a reliable way. I have my pan that I've, it's beat up and I've had it for a while, but it works and I love it. But we're gonna go ahead and try this. I've had this before. All right, you know me, you gotta do happy food dance, but it's amazing. You can add as much or as less of the juice as you like, depending on your taste. You can go ahead and add a little sugar to it. You can go ahead and add salt. You can add cheese if you want a spicy, cheesy type of popcorn. The possibilities are endless. Now, I will tell you, if you are on a low cholesterol thing where you can't be putting a lot of butter on things, or you have to watch your butter or fat intake or any of that kind of stuff, then this is the perfect alternative because you get the flavors and you get the spice
and you get some seriously amazing popcorn with attitude. And I gotta tell you, Sonya Sweet and Spice is full of some sassy attitude, and that's how we roll here. So try this recipe, add some variations, tell me, post in the links below, comment on this video, and let me know what you think of the recipe. Maybe you're the type of person who uses different kinds of kernels. Let me know what kind of kernels you use. This is the typical, high yield popping popcorn. It's nothing really special. What I think is special is when you can go ahead and add your flavors and your thoughts on how you want to season up your boring popcorn kernels into something amazing. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you leave us a comment, and I will always reply to comments and would love to hear what you've got going on. Would love to know what you have as far as other recipes or ideas, what you would like to see. I am here because I would love for you to try my product, Sonya's Sweet and Spicy. It is candied pickle jalapenos, the perfect blend of sweet and spice. Be sure to like us on Facebook because we will reference a lot of the recipes here and have some feedback and a little group of people who will chime in as well. And on Instagram, if you've got a recipe or if you want to follow us there and like us and all that other good stuff, I would really appreciate that. If you'd like to shop online, go to right here, go to sonyasweetspicy.com. You will see a recap of most of the recipes. And of course, all the recipes are here on video every week for you. And that is it for today, everyone. I am so glad that you can tune in and have a snack with me this afternoon. And hopefully you'll try it out and let me know what you think. So have a great day. Take care. All right, can't put this down. Amazing, amazing. And when you get to the end, when you've got the little kernels and you gotta chew those up, that's my favorite part. But this is better than kettle corn. And I know you're probably gonna say, no, kettle corn pretty much kicks butt. This is pretty kick butt too. It'll knock you on your rear end. You're gonna get so much flavor. You're gonna get so much spice, so much sass. And this is awesome. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna work on the rest of my day, and I'm gonna eat this little snappy, sassy, spicy treat. And I'll do the happy food dance and talk to you later. Take care. Okay, can't put this down. I was thinking I was gonna save this for Mark when he got home, but yeah, no, that's not happening. I'll have to make him a new batch. Look at the size of these kernels. Amazing, simply amazing. To die for, to die for. I love this, so good, so good. Bye.